Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm back with another Glossybox. This month is February, and with the box it is kind of made it a Valentine's box. So that's why it's kind of like this edition box. It's got a lot of hearts and lips and rainbows and makeup and hearts, and it's very pink. The box is very pink this month. So yeah, I'll get on that in a minute. So if you don't know what Glossybox is, I'll have all the information you need in the description bar and a link over to their website if you want to purchase one. So I'm just going to start and get opening, so I really want to see what I've got. So inside it has more pink and the little description card, which I'm not going to look at, and then it kind of like the paper is kind of like the front with little light black lines on. There's a white ribbon and the little sticker, the pink sticker. Open it up. Ooh. And that is the box. So I'm just going to pick out the first thing I see, which is a sleek mineral based eyeshadow palette, and it's Eye Divine and Storm. I think that might be the name of the palette, Storm. Yeah. Create stunning eye makeup with 12 shades of highly pigmented and long-lasting mineral-based eyeshadow. Storm contains shimmering neutral beiges and gorgeous shades of dark blues, greens and coppers, including a matte dark colour, ideal for definition or perfecting a classic smoky effect, suitable for all skin tones. Direction of use: get creative and blend contrasting colours together or mix shimmers with matte shades for ultra day to night eyes. So I'm just going to open up this palette. So again, with all the sleek palettes, it is a matte, except from the name, which is like a reflecting, obviously, name. So I'm just going to open the palette up. It's got a massive mirror, and these are the colours. Very beautiful colours. So I won't know the names unless I put this back on. So put it this way. Yeah. Sans. So I think they're all the names have got Storm in. So I'm just gonna do it like that. So the first colour, we're going to go from this that way, is Sandstorm. You got Snowstorm, which is the next one, Calm Before the Storm, Thunderstorm, Perfect Storm and Firestorm. So that's all those colours there. You got Dust Storm, Gathering Storm, Storm Cloud, Electric Storm, Eye of the Storm and Blackout. So I'm just going to swatch a few of them for you. I'm going to go with a few shimmers and then obviously do the matte. Is there only one matte in there, did they say? Because it looks like there's about 3. Includes a dark matte. Looks about 3 in there, but okay. So I'm just going to swatch the first one and the second one. Ooh, they look pretty. Wow, so pretty. And then we'll go for a darker shade, and then I'm going to go for a matte, and those two colours. Wow, even the mattes. So there. Really, really pretty and high pigmented, like they said. I do like that palette. So that is the first product, I'm going to look at my little description card and see what it says. Where are we? Sleek makeup, various colours, divine eyeshadow palette. Take your look from natural to dramatic with the 7 super pigmented shades in this palette. So this is a full size and it is £8.99. £8.99 for this palette. So that's the first product we get in the box this month. The second product I'm going to look at is the Ciate Laurent lip gloss. So it looks like that. I do love the packaging. I think one month we got Saint Laurent, I think it might be in December actually, eyeliner. I got the eyeliner today. I absolutely love it. It's a really good eyeliner. So I'm really excited to get another product from this brand. So it's like a little glass pot. I think it's the rose gold colour. Says colour, live your life in colour. Okay, and that is the colour. It says nude pop lip gloss. It's like a peachy colour, so it's like just a, see if I can, and that is the colour there. Doesn't have a smell to it. It is very creamy. I'm excited to try that out. Let's have a look what it says on here. Saint Laurent Nude Pop Lip Tint. This gorgeous creamy lip tint is cruelty-free, hydrating and long-lasting. It doesn't say if this is the full size or not because there's not a picture on here. It says the full size is £17, so I'm not sure if this is the full size or not, but £17 for the full size. The next product I'm going to take out is the sneak peek that we got from last month, Studio 10 Makeup Mist Glow Complexion. It says primer, hydrating mist and setting spray in one. A super fine lightweight mist that forms an undetectable veil over makeup for ultra lasting long last wear. It smooths and illuminates, instantly refreshes and brightens dull and lackluster skin, helping refine skin texture and reduces the appearance of open pores. Application: shake well before use, mist face from 22 to 24 centimeters away, let dry naturally. Shake it up, and again it's got a little pump. Is it gonna spray? Ooh. It hasn't got a smell to it. I can't wait to try that out actually. Yeah. I haven't tried any of Studio 10 products before. Studio 10 Beauty Makeup Mist Glow Complexion. This mist instantly primes, refreshes and hydrates lackluster skin. It can also be used as a setting spray. So this is a travel size, 20 millilitres, and it is £14. The full size is £26. So that's £14 that one. So the next product is Ciate Mini Nail Polish in Raising the Barre, B-A-R-R-E, bar. So it's a little mini one. I have a lot of little mini Ciate. This is my favourite nail polish brand. I normally get their like advent calendar at Christmas time, and that's why I've got so many little ones. And I don't think I've got this colour, which I really like actually. It's like a deep burgundy. I'm just opening it. It's like a deep burgundy colour. you can see it does look a darker on the camera, but yeah. This is, yeah, I haven't tried this colour before, but I'm gonna see what it says. Let's see. So the mini sizes are £6 and the full sizes are £9, which anyone in the boxes can get any different colours. I think my friend got a coral colour. Say hello to this month's discovery brand, Ciate, based in London and loved by Beyonce, Adele and Kylie Jenner, to name but a few. This fearless brand is renowned for its huge range of colours and powerful creativity. But most importantly, we love Ciate's non-nonsense approach to animal cruelty. Your Ciate nail varnish is PETA, P-E-T-A, which is the animal, you know, company, charity, certificated and vegan friendly. With a gel finish, Ciate's polish allows flexibility to mineralize, chipping and provide up to 10 days of high gloss shines. This is a gelology one, so it finishes into a gel. And the last product, more pink, the last product is this Icona Milano Emotion Allowed, I think it's waterproof mascara. So it's a waterproof mascara. Let's open it up. That's the wand. I've never tried this brand before. It says, with a creamy formula perfect for building extreme volume that lasts, this mascara is cruelty free and smudge, water and humidity resistant. Full size is 15, which is a full size. So try that out. There's also got other products on here that I haven't got, but I guess it depends what box you get to what you get. And there's an Eye Love, which is an eye cream. There's another mascara. There's a 24-hour Aqua Repair facial serum. So it depends what box you get to what you get in the box. But I'm happy with what I've got this month. I will try, I do love the Sleep palette. I'm going to try that. I'm going to try the lip gloss, the setting spray. I'll try it as a primer and a setting spray. I might put the colour on, the nail polish on, and obviously try out the mascara. So I'm really happy with what I've got this month. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Hit the bell button to be notified of any future videos that I do. Comment down below with what video, what ideas you want me to do, or give me some things that you want to see in some of my videos. Until next time, guys, bye.